Good morning, viewers. I am Saraswati, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Computer Science and Technology. Let us see about the topic is NumPy in Python. NumPy is a built-in libraries which is used for efficient storage and faster processing of large dimensional data set. It's mainly used for large dimensional data set. There are some of the applications of NumPy dataset. First one is a data processing application, data storage application, that is efficient storage of data set. Efficient storage of data set, machine learning applications, data science, and then image processing, data visualization. These are the applications of NumPy database. Before we are going to see about the NumPy database, first of all, we have to import the built-in libraries in a Python programming by using a keyword import. By using a keyword import, since NumPy is a built-in library as alias name. Alias name is a as is a keyword. Alias name is a MP. MP is a NumPy built-in library. This is syntax for importing a NumPy built-in libraries. So import NumPy as NP. NP is a NumPy built-in library. Here we have to import that. After that, we have to declare a one array in that NumPy built-in libraries, and then print that array. This is an example of a NumPy built-in libraries. Declare a array. Array name equal to np dot array of the array contains 5 elements. That is the 5 elements are declared in a list. That is square bracket is there. The square bracket is there. 5 elements are declared in a list. But 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. These are the 5 elements which are stored in the array. And the array is a NumPy array. We have to invoke the function np.array. np.array of 5 values and then print of array. Print of array. That is the output of print array is a 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. This is the output of a print array. So NumPy is a numerical Python which is used for efficient storage and faster processing of applications. Okay. In that numerical Python, you have to import the statement import NumPy as NP, and then if array is equal to np dot array of 5 elements, and then print the array. This is one simple example of a NumPy array. Array is a built-in method. That method will be invoked by using a alias name np dot array. Okay. Next we will see about many number of operations in that NumPy. First one is a arithmetic operation. Second one is a comparison operation. Third one is a string operation. Let us see one by one. First one is a arithmetic operation. Arithmetic operation, all of you know about. Some of the arithmetic operations are add, subtract, multiplication, division, modulus, floor division, etc. These are the various arithmetic operations. The arithmetic operations will be implemented by using arrays. By using an array in NumPy built-in libraries. By using a import keyword. Import NumPy as NP. Import NumPy as NP. NP is a NumPy. By using a built-in libraries NumPy, if you are initializing a 2 array, by implementing a arithmetic operation, initializing a 2 array, array 1 and array 2. Array 1 is equal to np dot array of only odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. The array element which is declared in the list. So yeah, which is declared in the list and stored into the array. In that name array 1. Next one array 2 equal to np dot array of even number 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 5 elements will be declared as a list and it's stored into the array name array 2. This is an array. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 is an array. 1, 3, 5, 7 is 9 is an array which is stored into the variable array 1 and array 2. By implementing a arithmetic operation, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, floor division, modulus. If it is needed, then include that operations. Okay. Result 1 is equal to, these are the built-in function. NP dot array is one of the built-in function. Add is a built-in function. Subtract, multiplication, division, mod, floor division. These are all the built-in functions available in the NumPy built-in libraries. NP dot add, NP dot sub, NP dot floor division, NP dot mod, NP dot div, NP dot array, NP dot size of. Okay, these are the various built-in functions available in NumPy built-in libraries. NP dot add of array 1, array 2. So array 1, array 2 will be add, the result will be stored into the variable result 1. Again, subtractions, NP dot subtractions, array 1, array 2, the value will be stored in result 2. Next, array 1, array 2, multiplication, invoke the function multiplication, array 1, array 2. The result will be stored in a variable result 3. In that example, only 4 operations are included. If you are including a floor division modulus, then include the NP dot floor division, NP dot mod. சரியா? After that, print the value of the NumPy array. Print of result 1, print of result 2, print of result 3, print of result 4. That's all about arithmetic operation. Comparison operator. These are the array functions. These are the array functions in NumPy built-in libraries. Array functions. Okay. Second one is a comparison operator. Comparison operator. What will be the output of array 1, array 2, array 3, array 4? What will be the output? Result 1, result 2, result 3. In our output, result 1 என்னது? Result 1 is equal to 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 4, 7. 5 plus 6, 11. 7 plus 8, 15. 9 plus 10, 19. This is the output of each and every element of in one array will be added to the each and every element of another array. That's the output of result 1. Subtractions on the we have to subtract the array 1 minus array 2. Each and every element we have to subtract the value. But 2 minus 1, 1. 4 minus 3, 1. Plus or minus, no need. Minus no, plus no. 4 minus 3, 1. 6 minus 5, 1. 8 minus 7, 1. 10 minus 1, 1. This is subtract of result 2. Multiplication. 2 3 into 4, 12. 5 into 6, 30. 7 into 8, 56. 9 into 10, 90. Division. 2 by 1, 4 by 3, 6 by 5, 8 by 7, 9 by 10. This is a sample output of this program. You write the sample output. Next one is a comparison operator. Comparison operator is a first one is a greater than symbol. Next one, greater than or equal to, less than symbol, less than or equal to, double equal, not equal. These are the various symbols associated with the comparison operator. Okay. First of all, we have to initialize the two array by using a NP libraries. NP libraries initialize the two array. NP array 1, array 2. The two arrays are initialized by invoking the function np dot array. np dot array, np dot array of values. np dot array of values, np dot array of values. Here the 3 values, again 3 values. Array 1 inside 3 values, array 2 another 3 values. We have to compare the array 2, array 1 less than or array 2. Array 1 is less than or equal to array 2. Each and every element will be checked. So yeah, each and every element will be, we have to compare that each and every element of the NumPy built-in arrays. But array 1 is less than array 2. 1 is less than or equal to 3. 2 is less than 2. 3 is less than 1. So yeah. So first value is the output will be 1 is less than 3. True. result will be only Boolean operators. That is true or false. Yeah. 1 is less than 3, prove 2 is less than 2. 2 is less than 2, true or false? True. 3 is less than 1, false. Second value, array 1. Next, the first is array madri, result 2 is equal to array 1 is greater than array 2. Array 1 is greater than 3, false. 2 is greater than 2, false. 3 is greater than 1, true. False, false, true. Then these are the output of result 1 and result 2. If result 3 is equal to array 1 is double equal to array 2. If both the elements are equal means print the result 3. Third, any one of the value will be equal to the array 1 and array 2. That is 2 is equal to 2. Remaining will be a false. False, true, false. False, true, false. This is the output of result 3. That's all.